Yeah, guys. So we this is actually the fourth video tutorial on what pivot what tables. And okay, so we're still working with our data and we going to do this time percentage of what column what total. So the first one we did percentage of grand total. As you've seen, percentage of grand total. We're going to do percentage of what column what total. And trust me, this is also quite interesting. And we're going to do more of this. So we still have our sum of sales or total sales for January that is spanning across 2013 to 2015, the entire years. Okay, so that is the totals for what January. But okay, so fine. We just want to know. Okay, so the items and the January that contributed to the 5133336. Okay, we just want to know. So then once we get then we want to know the percentage that each item or type contributed to the 513336 for what January. Do you get what I'm saying? So what I'm actually saying that okay, so we have type over here. Okay, so the type we have what ice cream, blah 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 blah. Okay, so we want to know. Oh, so if we have 513336, what amount of ice cream went into this? What amount of yogurt and what amount of the other types or items went into the 513336? So after getting that, then your boss asks you, okay, just give me the percentage wise. I don't want to see these figures. I'm just interested in the what percentages. Okay, so that is what we actually going to do. We're not going to write any formula. Our function, we just going to use pivot tables to do that. Okay, so let me click on this and let me just drop my type and the month. Okay, so we have this frozen yogurt contributed 228816 to the total of January. That is, we have 513336. All right, good. Now we are going to do the percentage of column total. So what is the percentage of column total? Displays each value as a percentage of the total for 8 columns. So what is the percentage of frozen yogurt with respect to 513336? Now we still go back and we pick the sales, we drop the sales and the values, and we don't want sales number 2. What do we want? I said we want percentage of what? Column what? Total. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? You see this drop down over here. So you just have to click on this drop down. You click on value field settings. All right. So let's use the same name. You can change the name over here. Let the name sound. What do you intend to do? You really want to find the percentage of each of the type that we have over here that constitute to the 513336. Already we have the amount, the figure we want to generate the what percentage wise. So okay, so ice cream is contributing 5%, or let's say you got let's say and the rice let's say is contributing to 15% or whatever. Okay, so let's click on this, but before that, we can change the name over here. So we have percentage of column total. All right. So percentage of column total. Now we click on this and show. Yeah, we click on show values as. So we have show values as, no calculation. We are done with percentage of grand total. Now we click on percentage of column total. Then we click on OK. All right. And that's what we have over here. So 7.03% when it comes to the 513336 for the frozen what yogurts. Okay, so this is percentage wise. Your boss is saying that I don't want to say figures, values. Very huge for me. I just want you to get me percentage wise values. And that's what we have over here. Yeah. this percentage. So you can just ignore this. Okay, boss. Okay, so the total January 2013 to 2015. Okay, so we had 5-1, 3-3-3-6, but looking at the types, ice cream contributed 4.84%, 4.84%. Okay, then we have 7.03%. We have 3.24%. So we can say that, oh, okay, so I think frozen yogurt is quite doing well when it comes to our sales. Okay, so you check this one, oh, this one is also doing quite well. 5.71% contributing to 521,344.75 for the month of February. So February, that is 2013 to 2015. And you can do a lot with this. You can just get insights into the data in just some few seconds. You present it to your boss and fantastic. You're done. Okay. All right. So we're trying to do so many things with the pivot tables. Then once we get the grinding, that is, we get more information about pivot tables. Then we move on to what? Power pivots. Okay. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification button, when I drop a video, you just get notifications, you go, you watch, like and share. Okay. All right. Thank you guys and see you next time. Enjoy your day. Bye.